Yo, what is up guys, back with another video. You guys already know I'm at a gas station, so it's gonna be a good video. Today we're going to a Porsche meet hosted by Gunter Werks. Should be pretty cool. Older Porsches, probably some new Porsches there. But yeah, waiting on the crew to get here. I'm gonna grab food real quick, putting in gas, $7 for 91 in SoCal. Wonder what gas is anywhere else. See how much I'm looking at probably 3.5 gallons because it was empty. And on reserve minus 10 gallons. Yeah, 3.5. Gas is so cold. Harley riders a lot of shit. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab food right now. No way. I thought they were here. The bacon. Nah. So I'll catch you guys when they're here. So all the boys out. Gio on his stretch S1K, like 235 horsepower, something like that. We got Mo on the V4, Sim on the V4R, and then K on his M1000 RR M package. Just ate Chick-fil-A and now we're headed out. We are heading to the meet. Everyone out. This thing forged carbon everywhere, so hard. V4R. We got like a 20-minute drive ahead of us up to Huntington Beach, where Gunter Werks headquarters I think is, or shop, whatever it is, to make the cars. I know that they're debuting. Oh, nice Rolls Royce over there. I know they're like debuting a new car. There is what the flyer said. Oh my god, it's detail too. Bunch of cars out tonight. So yeah, we should see how it is. Got all the boys behind us. So I'll see you guys when we get there. At that fire truck escort, I guess. Oh god, where are they going? Oh, I guess that's the end of the fire truck escort. We're pulling up. Oh, I think it's really packed. I think everyone is here for that event. Oh yeah, a lot of people are here for this event. That's a sick BMW. Wow, it seems, yeah, it's packed. We got all the cars here. I don't think the guy wanted us to come in here, but we did anyways. Wow, there's a lot of people here. Oh my gosh, so many cars. Yeah, definitely all Porsches here. Oh, that GT3. New one. Woo! GT4 is sick too. Oh my goodness. Do you want to go around real quick? Look at the other cars out here. A lot of new GT3s. Of course. And the older Porsches. Woo! Oh, the GT2 RS thing is sick. On the inside where the whole shenanigans happen. that thing's sick. There's a bunch of Porsches. Thing's so stretched. This thing's like a 10-point radius to turn the damn thing. Bunch of cars here. What's up, what's up? Satin black GT3, the new one. This thing's sexy. Oof. Damn. That's the Project Tornado, the new one. Look at the inside of it. Damn, that thing's sick. Oh my goodness. And this is where they make them, I guess.
That's a Tornado under there. Or that's a customer built.
Yeah, that one's custom. What's up, bro? It's getting hot in the helmet, so I'm gonna try to take this off as soon as possible. But we got the exposed carbon one right here. That one's pretty sweet. Got more over there. They're building this one over here. It's pretty cool to see how they're building everything. That's pretty sick. Undercarriages, that's crazy. The seats, the suspension, the other ones. And whatever one is over here. Yeah, I'm trying to take my helmet off ASAP. It's hot. Show you guys this one, and then that's about it. Yeah, that's pretty sick. Alright, I'll see you guys back at the bikes. Alright, we are heading out from the event. Everyone else already dipped because they had to go to a shop and get one of the bikes fixed, but I'm going somewhere else, so I stay a little bit longer to order Targas here, an R3, and then I don't know what kind of bike that is, maybe Harley. There's a bunch of bikes here. On the way out, I'm gonna go left because more cars pulled in. Ooh, she sounds good though. Temperature's still chilling. Oh, the M3 comp thing's fucking sick. The color on that GT3, the new one, is so sick. I don't know how good the footage is inside. It was pretty packed in there, and I just went in and out because it was really hot. This GT2 RS, whoo, freaking sick. And there's the off-road Porsches too over there. Some more. Oh, I don't know what they're doing. Yeah, this event was pretty sick. A lot of Porsche, big Porsche event. I guess there's two other events on the weekend this weekend. Porsche events. I don't know, what is that? GT3 Touring right there? Oh no, GT3 is GT3. Pretty sick. I don't know. This guy has a dog in the back of his car. Honestly, he's gonna go around him now. Another GT3. Bunch of GT3s tonight. Oh, look at that Tesla. Bagged. There's a bunch of Supra, M4. There's a bunch of cars here. Oh, the pops on my bike are pretty gnarly. G-Wagon R2. Yeah, so that's about it for this video. It's a little bit different. A really sick Porsche meet hosted by Gunter Werks. Really cool. And that's about it for the video. Look at the moon. I keep saying this is about it for the video, but I keep saying shit. Okay, that's about it for the video. It was a cool Porsche meet, but I am going to another meet tonight, and this guy is pulled out right in front of me. So I gotta consume the battery. So I don't know how long this video is. I'm hoping it's at least 10 minutes. But that's about it. We got Wiener Schnitzel in the background and the moon. So that's why I end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Drop a like, drop a subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.